Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I am so excited to be showing you another designer unboxing. I've done one of these videos in the past and I am so excited to be doing another one. I ordered this probably like last week and it's taken quite a while to get here due to it being Easter bank holiday and such like, so there were no deliveries. So finally I got my parcel and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you, so I'm so excited to show you, and if you want to see what I got then please do keep on watching. Before I get started properly, I just wanted to say a big thank you if you are already subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate every single one of you and I love you so much, and if you haven't already then please do hit that subscribe button. I would be so grateful to have you as one of my pink angels, and this is just a lovely pink happy place on the internet where we talk fashion and beauty and lifestyle. So if that sounds like your kind of thing then please do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_. So my last unboxing video I did was last year and I opened up my new Sophia Webster heels because I bought myself a pair of shoes when I graduated with my honours degree. So it was only right, now that I have graduated with my master's degree, that I treat myself to another designer gift. I feel like I deserve it and I worked really hard for this, and I also had my eye on these for quite a while. Before I make any large designer purchase, I think a lot about it, always make sure to research it and make sure that I really definitely want these, and I waited a long time for these shoes and I really am so glad that I got these. So I did get another pair of Sophia Webster heels. I just love Sophia Webster shoes, they're amazing, they're so different. I love just being myself and being pink and girly, and these shoes are so perfect for that. So I just fell in love with these a long time ago and treated myself to them because I got my master's degree. So this is the box that they come in. They come in the gorgeous pastel pink Sophia Webster box, and it says Sophia Webster in rose gold. And then when you open it up, it has pink dust bag, which is really handy for traveling. And I've also actually seen a video of somebody turning these dust bags into like cushions that you can put on your bed, which I think is such a cute idea, and I definitely think I'm going to do that at some point because I now have two of these dust bags. And then it also comes with two little cards just telling you how to care for the leather and how to care for the crystals, so that gives you a little hint about what the shoes are. So these are the Rosalind Star Crystals from Sophia Webster, and they are rainbow sparkly crystal heels with stars on the heel. I am obsessed. These shoes are amazing. They are so different, so fun and so me, and I'm really glad that I got these. They are such good quality and I just love the pastel rainbow shades. So it is a gorgeous strappy sandal and it's got support here for your ankle, and then the buckle around here has got crystals around it, and then there is a section down the back here, and then all of these stars which have crystals on every side, and then there's a little bit here for your foot as well as here, and they're just so beautiful. And then the soles of Sophia Webster's have this gorgeous heart embroidered onto them, and I just think that's such a beautiful touch because it looks amazing when you're standing. And I just love my previous Sophia Webster shoes so much, so I knew that I would love these as well, and I'm so glad that I got them. They're just an absolute dream pair of shoes. They're so lovely. I just think these are so different, and that's what I really love. So I'm going to show you guys close-ups of these so that you can fully appreciate how stunning they are, but I'm so obsessed. I love these. I feel like these will go really well with a lot of my outfits. Because they're pastel rainbow, I think a really nice pink dress would look fabulous with these, and I also have a turquoise dress which I think would look really good with them. I just think that they're so versatile and different, although in saying that, I don't know if I actually want to ever wear these on the ground. I mean, look how clean and pretty they are. I just don't really want to walk on actual ground on these. Maybe carpet would be okay, but not on the actual like road where there's dirt and stuff. I just don't think that these deserve that. They're just too nice for that. So I'm going to just admire them and wear them on carpets. So this is now my second pair of Sophia Webster heels. I'm absolutely thrilled with them. They're so different, and the other ones I have are the butterfly heels, and these ones are the star crystal heels. I just think they're so beautiful, but also so different from other shoes, which I love because that's just me, and they are absolutely amazing. I'm so happy. I feel really proud of myself. I bought these myself because I worked so hard for them, and yeah, I'm just really pleased with them. So they did take quite a while to arrive. They should have been next day delivery, but I ordered them during Easter weekend, so they took a few days, and that's why this video has been held up, but I think they're worth it. How fab are they? So if you guys have any questions about buying Sophia Webster shoes, if you're interested in buying them, then let me know in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram. If you want to ask any questions or anything, then I'm happy to help you. I got these in a size 38, which is a UK size 5, which is what my shoe size is, but the butterfly shoes that I bought from them before are a 38.5, so a 5.5, which is what's recommended on the website, and these were recommended just to go with your normal size. So far the size recommendations on the Sophia Webster website are really great. They just say in the product description these fit perfectly, so go with your normal size or go half a size up or something. So that's been really great for me, and these fit perfectly. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed seeing my lovely new shoes. I'm definitely going to be taking lots of Instagram reels and photographs on Insta, so make sure that you're following me on there because these are going to be shown a lot, and I would really love it if you followed me on there. I'm so grateful for every single one of you guys. You guys mean so much to me, and I'm so happy and grateful that I have this platform that I can show all of my favourite beautiful things like these shoes. So I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!